Hey everyone, welcome back to CryptoScores. We are now entering the technology category, the section that tells you what's actually being built under the hood. And we are starting with a unique indicator, Chainlink partnership. So why does a Chainlink partnership matter? In blockchain, projects need reliable external data, market prices, verifications, and real-world information. These services are provided by what's called an oracle, and Chainlink is the leading oracle in the entire blockchain space. Partnering with Chainlink is a guarantee of quality, robustness, and security. It means the project is using the best infrastructure available for its data feeds. CryptoScores tracks all contracts and partnerships between Chainlink and each project and shows you the most recent one. So let's take a look at Morpho with a total score of 79 over 100 and a technology score almost perfect, 99 over 100. When you click on it and you scroll down, you will see the Chainlink partnership. So the Chainlink partnership indicator is present and in green, showing an active recent partnership with the Chainlink ecosystem. And when you click on it, you will go directly to the Chainlink ecosystem page for Morpho, where you can see all the details of the integration, what services they use, and when the partnership was established. This tells you that Morpho's technology stack relies on the industry standard for oracles. That's a strong signal. Now look at Shiba Inu, over $3 billion in market cap, but when you open the technology tab, there is no Chainlink partnership indicator at all. With a technology score of only 23 over 100, that tells you everything. Shiba is a meme coin. There is no underlying technology that needs oracle services, no smart contracts requiring external data feeds. This is the perfect counter example. A project can have massive market cap, a huge community, insane hype, but when there is nothing being built technically, the technology section makes it obvious. No Chainlink partnership because there is nothing to partner on. Pure speculation. So we can use this indicator as a quality signal. Green and present, the project uses industry standard infrastructure. Absent, either the project doesn't need oracles or it hasn't reached the level where Chainlink would integrate with it. In both cases, that's information you want to have. Chainlink partnership is a project connected to the best infrastructure in blockchain. Check it on cryptoscores.com and we will see you there in the next one.